Welcome to another video in the Introduction to Penetration Testing series. In this screencast, we'll cover the use of ncrack for dictionary password attacks. Let's just run through what's going to happen. I've already created two files, user.list and pass.list. These are the two files that ncrack will use. These contain a small list of possible usernames and passwords, such as and a list of possible passwords. The basic concept is that our password cracking tool will try to match up a username to a password. So in this case, it would go, once it's done that, it will go to the next username, and so on until it finds a match. Let's perform a dictionary attack against our target. We're going to use port 21 as our service. In this case, we'll know the username. This command is made up of a number of parts. We have ncrack, which is obviously the command. We then have our options. In this case, we have --user Yeti. So the --user signifies that what is following is an actual username. Yeti is the username that we're going to be looking for. The uppercase -p signifies that what comes next is the password list that ncrack will use against the username. Then comes our IP address, followed by a colon, and the port number of the service that we are attacking. In this case, it's 21, which is FTP. As you can see, it has found the correct password. Let's try it again, but this time we know the password, but not the username. In this case, you can see that we're using the --U for our user list and --pass signifying that what comes after is the password. And it comes up with the correct username, Cyclops, that is using the password of Baby Joe. What if we don't know the username or the password? Can we use the password list and the username list to see if we can find both of them at the same time? Let's give that a try. Hold on a sec, what's happening here? We've got two new options in here. What's that all about? Well, the first option that we put in, --passwords attack first. What this does is instead of going username to password, it will reverse that and do password to username. The next little option that we used is capital CL equals 4. CL is connection limit, and when we've put it into uppercase, that means it's the maximum number of connections that we're going to use, which is 4. If we put it into lowercase CL, then that would be the minimum number of connections. Wow, look at that. ncrack has narrowed down the number of password username pairs that we'd have to try. We know that Cyclops has a password of Baby Joe, and we know that Yeti has a password of password incorrect. So we've run through 3 scenarios of using a dictionary attack using ncrack. So now it is your turn.